And 3 San Diego kids are among the first in the state to contract a respiratory infection that sickened hundreds across the country.
It's called Enterovirus D68. Amanda Shotsky live at Rady Children's Hospital where the kids were treated. Amanda.
Good evening, Jim and Nancy. There are 4 cases in all, 3 of them from right here in San Diego, and 1 of them was from Ventura County, and they were visiting at the time that they became ill. But all of them were treated right here at Rady Children's Hospital. Now, this puts California on the map alongside 18 other states reporting more than 150 cases of this rare infection.
Some are calling it the latest summer flu. Enterovirus D68, a rare respiratory virus that's been sickening kids across the country, has now made landfall in San Diego.
We don't know whether it's going to increase, but we certainly know that the virus is here.
Thursday, local health officials confirmed the first 4 cases reported in the state were treated here at Rady Children's Hospital. They include 3 local children and 1 visiting from Ventura County, all ranging in age from 2 to 13 years old. Symptoms of Enterovirus D68 are similar to a common cold and include fever, runny nose, and a cough.
And this is a cough that doesn't just go away in a day or 2. This cough hangs on.
Doctors say at most risk are infants, children, and teens, specifically those who have asthma or breathing problems.
3 of the 4 cases actually had asthma.
A concern for parents like Stella Staley. 2 of her kids are asthmatic.
I've been told by our physicians that that's something that I have to monitor closely.
Like a cold, the virus is spread through close contact with those infected or touching contaminated objects.
So we just try to wash our hands frequently, make sure that we're not putting our hands in our mouths.
But health officials say they don't want parents to panic. Most people recover without any treatment.
And expect to use the inhalers more with this virus than you do with an average chest cold. But the bottom line is we can handle this.
Now, health officials say more cases are expected in the coming weeks. A few tips to keep healthy: avoid contact with those who are sick, wash your hands often, cover coughs and sneezes, clean, disinfect surfaces, and of course, stay home when you're sick. That one not many listen to. There is no specific treatment for Enterovirus D68. Most commonly, those hospitalized are put on a ventilator. Now, important to note, there have been no deaths associated with this infection, and doctors say the cases here in San Diego were not as serious as those seen around the country. For now, Nancy, Jim, I'll send it back to you guys in the studio.